Hello FFA members, my name is Kinsey Darst and I am currently serving as one of your Missouri FFA State Vice Presidents. Now, as I'm sure all of you have heard, our theme for Missouri FFA this year is home. Now home, it can mean a whole lot of different things for many different people. For some, home means driving into a pasture and being greeted by a lot of cattle within this field. Or possibly going home and the first thing that you see is your pet dog at the front door. For me, home means where I can gather with individuals that I call family, in which we can celebrate our victories and even overcome some challenges. Now within my family, I consider it pretty small. It just consists of my mother, my father, and my younger sibling, Madison. Over this past year, my family has seemed to have grown a lot. Now, whenever I say a lot, I mean that it has grown from just 4 people to nearly 27,000 family members. Hearing this, it can only mean one thing, that I have found another family. And within this new family, it is filled with 27,000 FFA members like you. And within every family, we know that there has to be a little bit of competition. Today, we are going to be recognizing individuals who have competed in Proficiency Award areas. Let's go ahead and check out how they did. Proficiency Awards recognize members who excel in their SAE programs. Today, we will be recognizing members in the Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Entrepreneurship, Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Placement, and Agricultural Processing Proficiency Awards. Our first Proficiency Award area is Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Entrepreneurship. Students in this area have the ability to pursue skills in design, construction, repair, and maintenance of agricultural equipment and structures. This proficiency area is sponsored by the Lincoln Electric Company. Our winners from each area are: from Area 2, in the Maysville FFA chapter, we have Cole Dalton Gottswiller. From Area 3, in the Clark County FFA chapter, Luke A. Brown. Representing the Montgomery County R2 FFA chapter, Alex Falloon. Area 6, in Santa Fe, we have Lane Aaron Borkers. Hailing from the Iberia FFA chapter in Area 8, Elijah Grant Cochran. Our Area 9 winner from the Miller FFA chapter is Justin Conrad Jeffers. Area 10 from Bolivar, Madison Micah Durham. From the Pierce City FFA chapter in Area 11, Jordan James Witt. Area 12 in Ozark, David Ross Long III. And from Area 14, from the Union FFA chapter, Autumn Nicole Miller. Our second place winner in the area of Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Entrepreneurship is, from the Santa Fe FFA chapter, Lane Aaron Borkers. And our state winner in the area of Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Entrepreneurship is Justin Kennard Jeffers from the Miller FFA chapter. Thank you to the Lincoln Electric Company for sponsoring this award, and congratulations to all of our participants. Our next proficiency area is Agricultural Mechanics Repair and Maintenance Placement. Students in this area have the ability to pursue skills in design, construction, repair, and maintenance of agricultural equipment and structures in a workplace. This proficiency area is sponsored by Lincoln Electric Company. Our winners from each area are: from Area 2, in the Chillicothe FFA chapter, we have Cale Mack Campbell. From Area 3, in the Lynn County FFA chapter, Trent Buswell. Representing the Mexico FFA chapter in Area 4, Taylin M. Love. Area 5, in Montgomery County R2, we have Dalton Kelling. Hailing from the Concordia FFA chapter in Area 6, Peyton Arnold. Our Area 7 winner from the Sherwood FFA chapter, Pierce Levson. Area 8 from California, Cannon Wayne Simmons. From Area 9 in the Jasper FFA chapter, Caitlin E. Dockery. Representing the Conway FFA chapter in Area 10, Hunter Lindley. Area 11 in the Aurora FFA chapter, James Martin Conran IV. Hailing from the Branson FFA chapter in Area 12, Corbin Rye Smith. From Area 13, Matt Finch from the Richland FFA chapter. And from the Union FFA chapter, Taylor Nelson Eaker. And from Area 15, Dylan Paul Joggers from the St. Genevieve FFA chapter. Our second place winner in the area of agricultural mechanics repair and maintenance placement is, from the Conway FFA chapter, Hunter Lindley. And our state winner in the area of agricultural mechanics repair maintenance placement is, Trent Buswell from the Lynn County FFA. Thank you to the Lincoln Electric Company for sponsoring this award, and congratulations to all of our participants. Our final proficiency area is agricultural processing. Students in this area present the ability in assembling, inspecting, processing, and marketing food and non-food agriculture products. This proficiency award is sponsored by the Missouri Agribusiness Association. Our winners from each area are: from Area 1 in the Stanberry FFA chapter, we have Sydney Diane Matson. From Area 2 in the Chillicothe FFA chapter, Heston Campbell. Representing the Macon FFA chapter in Area 3, Lauren Wilson. Area 4 in Mexico FFA, we have Amelia Dedham. Hailing from the Troy FFA chapter in Area 5, Madeline Michelle Baker. Our Area 6 winner from the Carrollton ACC FFA chapter, Oren Reese Birdno. Area 7 from the Cass Career Center, Emma Christine Fisher. From Area 8 in the Green Ridge FFA chapter, Madeline Grace Hayes. Representing the Joplin FFA chapter in Area 9, Gavin Scott Davis. Area 10 in the Buffalo FFA, Dayton Allen Armstrong. Hailing from the Mount Vernon FFA chapter in Area 11, Grant Edward Wilkie. From Area 12, Ethan Michael Middleton from the Ozark FFA chapter. Area 14 from the Union FFA chapter, Laura Anna Borgman. Our Area 15 winner from the St. Genevieve FFA chapter, Dakota Scott Karen. And from Area 16, Logan Limbaugh from the Doniphan FFA chapter. Our second place winner in the area of agricultural processing is, from the Buffalo FFA chapter, Dayton Allen Armstrong. And our state winner in the area of agricultural processing is Heston Campbell from the Chillicothe FFA chapter. Thank you to the Missouri Agribusiness Association for sponsoring this award, and congratulations to all of our participants. Thank you to all of our sponsors for today, and congratulations to all of our participants. Be sure to tune in for Missouri FFA social media to hear how our next Proficiency Awards turn out. Thank you.